Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rifira Nazila Fatiha. Today I want to tell you about mini conversation in telephonic, and I will use Isis. He is Tono, and he is Andi, and this is their phone. Okay, let's start it. Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam. Good afternoon. Who I'm talking to? This is Tono. Tono, what's going on? You're sick? Yeah, I'm sick. That's why I didn't go to school today. By the way, there is an important task or not from school today? Yes. The task is from English book in 1 to 7 page. Okay. Or and any important note? Yeah, the chemistry on the last chapter. Oh, okay. Can I borrow your book? And I want to go to your house. Maybe tomorrow? Sorry Tono, we're on pandemic. I will just send photo to you. Okay. Andi, thank you. You're welcome. Sekian video dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.